Ngeru.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm hanging out with my whanau. My cuzzies are here to play, and we're playing Snap. Come on.
Oh, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Snap!
Hey, we forgot to plant our kai in the mara. Is that us? Yeah? Come on. Gonna plant some chives. Can you say chives?
Chives.
Hey, there we go. Some chives. What's your favourite thing you like planting?
My favourite thing I like planting?
Yeah.
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
I like planting potatoes too.
Do you like planting kai in the garden?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I help my mums a lot.
Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, what about all of our beautiful kai here? Do you reckon any of it's ready to eat or not yet?
Maybe a few days.
Maybe a few days? I think you're right. Hey, it's starting to rain. We better get up under the shelter, eh? Is that us? All right, come on, cuzzies. Let's go. Hanging out with my whanau, yeah. Cousins and brothers and sisters and aunties and uncles. Oh, Cousin Tanya's in the kitchen cooking up a boil up. That's my favorite. Oi, do you boys want some boil up?
Yeah! Yeah!
Have a boil up. Hey, at the end of the day, fun, if you're having a bad day, have a boil up. Yeah, do the spin thing.
Boil up's ready.
The boil up is ready. Ka kite anō whānau.